Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the more connections and tap on the printing. Use the default print service. Right now the smartphone is scanning the area near us and it finds the HP Color LaserJet Pro printer and it connects automatically to this printer. So right now when you want to print something, I will show you how it looks on the images, for example. So let's go for the image that we want to print, and we have to click right here on the more in the right corner, then find the print and the PDF. Click to select the printer, pick up our printer and just simply tap on this icon to print this picture. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.